Good luck.
Yeah, Powerball's up to 90 million.
Is it?
So yeah, that's what I saw a sign coming in. Anyway, we are looking at showers and storms around. 100% chance of that happening right now. I don't know what your chances are winning the Powerball, but much smaller. We have had some big storms east of I-75. Casey Key, this is not it. This is Lakewood Ranch webcam showing, boy, the storms came in heavy at times, and now we're starting to see that come to an end as a result, again, of the upper level low, which really enhanced our storms this afternoon. And we had a photo sent in just recently from John Smith at Terra. Get a look at that, capturing that lightning strike from his lanai, looking off again at that big storm. And they also had a report of pea-sized hail right there in Terra earlier. Now that rain that was heavy at times in Manatee County has slipped down into Sarasota County and southeast Manatee. Not as prevalent now, but still some light rain falling near Parrish, stretching down toward Ellington, and near Lakewood Ranch. Still some light rainfall nearby, but the heaviest storms by far along I-75 in Sarasota County down into Northport. Notice nothing going on near the area beaches, although we did have a bolt from the blue right around 5 o'clock this afternoon in downtown Sarasota. The storms aren't as strong right now, so they don't have as much energy to send those bolts out, but they were earlier. Down in Northport, certainly they can still do that. So folks in Venice, look out. Even though it may not be raining in downtown Venice, you're close enough to get some lightning there. Notice all the lightning indicators are east of I-75 near Proctor Road, also near Bee Ridge and Bee Ridge Extension down south. Into Venice near the Venetian, getting some rainfall, stretching all the way into Northport, Bobcat Trail, as well as Heron Creek, seeing some pretty heavy rainfall right now, and quite a few lightning strikes all the way down into Port Charlotte. This is all associated with the sea breeze front and then outflow boundaries from storms that are around and an upper level low, which is spinning across the state right now out into the Gulf. That low will get out of here tomorrow, and it won't have much of an influence, but we'll still see scattered storms developing along the sea breeze front, I do believe. 2.9 inches in just less than an hour there. A bullseye right there near State Road 70 and I-75. Lesser amounts near Lakewood Ranch, but still some pretty hefty amounts, over an inch reported there. There's that upper level low continuing to spin off to the west. The remnants of what was Beryl, that's also kind of feeding into these storms, and that's the reason why they produce a lot of rainfall. Forecast is calling for a few showers tomorrow afternoon, once again developing along the sea breeze, and then some of those working their way back toward the coast in the afternoon. On Friday, we'll get a chance for some morning showers pushing off toward the east, meeting in the middle, the east coast and west coast sea breeze, where storms will fire off. Well, there goes Chris. The top winds are down now to 90 miles an hour. They had been as high as 105, making it a Category 2. And we'll keep an eye on the remnants here. If they were to develop, they'd move more likely off to the east of the Bahamas. There's the forecast path for Chris. Good news, it's staying away from the U.S. For boaters tomorrow, winds will be out of the southeast, and not much, 5 knots only, and mostly smooth. Not much of a breeze out there to keep you cool. We are looking for a slight chance for scattered storms on Thursday. A little bit better on Friday. Timing may change around a little bit. We could have scattered storms at any time during the day. On Saturday, more numerous in the afternoon and evening. Same holds true for Sunday. So typical, getting back into the pretty good chances for showers and thunderstorms scattered about. Scott?